today, I am deeply honored to address you and extend my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have played a pivotal role in bringing us together for this momentous occasion.
This organization is not just created by ordinary people. This organization was created by God. Why? For a very, very big purpose. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, dito sa Aguila, magsisimula ang lahat para sa tunay na pagbabago ng bansa natin.
Your tireless efforts in upholding the values of brotherhood, camaraderie, and service are truly commendable and serve as a shining example for us all. Together, we can make lasting impact on our society, protect our environment, and create a better world for future generations.
The Fraternal Order of Eagles is not just a fraternity. It is a family united by a common mission to make a positive difference in the lives of others. The Eagle have become synonymous with compassion and generosity.
Please inculcate in our hearts, in our mind, in our soul, that very foundation, the very purpose of being an Eagle. Purpose and goal of the fraternity is the Eagle.
Wearing the Ryan masks like a shield. I know they're coming.
Panatilihin natin buo ang ating club. Habaan ang pasensya na dapat palagi tayong active. Kung mayroon mang konting hindi pagkakaintindihan, pag-usapan.
One of the hallmarks of this organization is its dedication to supporting those people in dire need of help. But the impact of this organization extends far beyond its charitable endeavors. It is a community built on camaraderie, fellowship, and mutual support.
Recognizing, celebrating the bonds of brotherhood that unite us all, we stand together in solidarity, support, and mutual respect.
Your tireless efforts in organizing charitable events, providing assistance to the less fortunate, have not only brought hope and joy to countless individuals, but have also served as an inspiration to others to follow.
Samahang ito, kayo ay hindi lamang naging bahagi ng isang pamilya na nagkakaisa sa layunin sa pagtulong at pagmamahal sa kapwa.
responsibility of service to strong brotherhood.
Mabuhay ang Agila!